Oh shit.
I got this today at Winco.
At where?
Winco.
What's that?
It's a bullshit store. It's fucking bullshit. It's where I was getting the where I got the what's that shit called? And I got that one bullshit. Remember when I was telling you about the chicken sandwich?
Oh.
That chicken sandwich was fucking shit.
Did you have the Hershey squirts after?
Huh?
Did you have the Hershey squirts?
No, I didn't have the Hershey squirts. It just like I ain't gonna lie, the fucking chicken was all fucking gummy and gooey and shit, man. Dude, I'm gonna fucking cry, man. Like I can't stop smiling, man.
Why?
This is beautiful. Well, I wasn't expecting you, dog. Like,
really?
Yeah, it took me by surprise. I thought you were gonna come down tomorrow.
Yeah, well, I kind of wanted to surprise you.
Ain't that a bitch?
All right. Oh shit!
Fucking shit sparking, dude.
Are those? I think it might be sparkling candles. I don't know.
Are you fucking serious?
I don't know.
Well,
oh.
Hey, bro, should I be sitting this fucking close to him, dude?
I mean, you probably want to blow them out before she goes.
Well, dude, you want to sing happy birthday? Okay, happy birthday to you. All right,
happy birthday, Brian. Woo! Yeah.
Woo!
Oh shit!
Oh fuck!
Doc, blow them out. Blow them harder.
I can't. Fuck, man. The shit. What the fuck, dude? Oh shit! Hey, bro, we're gonna fucking die, man. Holy shit! God, oh, what the fuck? Dude, these motherfuckers.
Here, now, we got a plate. Oh shit!
God damn! About to blow some shit up. I can't reach. Oh, there we go. God damn.
So that's what I told the Asian lady. I was like, "What are some good candles?" She's like, "Oh, these one here are so good." Now I know what the fuck she means.
Yeah. Dog, I'm about to pour some water up on that shit, dude.
Oh, you're good. Big bitches be mopping, twerking.
It can't get no fucking better, right?
Sorry for the mess.
Oh, you're good. Don't worry about it. How the fuck am I gonna put this?